Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MA Russia course. And before starting this question, I want to share something. We provide all type of solution according to your subject, according to your course. So if you need answers of any related to your homework, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368 you have to just type on this number hi, we will talk to you in this WhatsApp number. The question number 5 we are discussing here, which is write shorts on the major festivals of Russia. So we have prepared all the answers according to the our marks, which is 20 marks and the word limit. So you can contact us without any, and if you need any other homeworks also, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will meet you soon in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe.